Hey everyone, Kyle Lewis here from the Worship Keyboard Tutorial YouTube channel, giving you tips and tricks to help you with your worship keyboard ministry. In this video, I'm going to give you an arrangement that I did for our church of the song Come Thou Fount. And I'm just going to play and sing all the way through in this video, but in the follow-up video, I'm going to break down some of the concepts so that hopefully you can take those and transfer them to some of the songs that you're doing in your church, whether they're hymns or contemporary songs or anywhere in between. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell to be aware of future videos. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. All right, if you're ready, let's get started.
Come thou fount of every blessing, tune my heart to sing thy grace. Streams of mercy never ceasing, call for songs of loudest praise. Teach me some melodious sonnet, sung by flaming tongues above. Praise his name, I'm fixed upon it, name of God's redeeming love. Hitherto thy love has blessed me, thou hast brought me to this place, and I know thy hand will bring me safely home by thy good grace. Jesus sought me when a stranger, wandering from the fold of God. He to rescue me from danger, bought me with his precious blood. Oh, to grace, how great a debtor for thy courts above. Prone to wander, Lord, I feel it. Prone to leave the God I love. Here's my heart, oh, take and seal it for thy courts above. Here's my heart, oh, take and seal it for thy courts above.
Well, thanks for watching. I hope this has been a help to you, and I'd love to hear in the comments how these videos have been helping you in your music ministry overall. And look forward to the upcoming video, which is going to break down some of the concepts of this arrangement that I did. Thanks again for watching. Check out some of these other videos, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.